Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Christmas crack. For our ingredients, we have graham crackers. We use 2 packets. We have a cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar. We use 1 cup of chocolate chips, and a little bit of sea salt and chopped pecans. And we also use some Christmas sprinkles. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You want to line a standard size cookie sheet with parchment paper or foil. You want to lightly spray with cooking spray or grease lightly with butter. You want to lay your crackers out evenly over the foil or the parchment paper. Make sure you put salted side up. For the graham crackers, it doesn't matter. It's alright to have spaces in between the crackers. To prepare your toffee, you want to combine your butter and your brown sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat. You want to stir occasionally. You want to allow the mixture to come to a boil, and you want to allow it to boil for 3 minutes. Do not stir while it boils. Immediately remove it from the heat and pour it over your crackers. It's okay if some of them starts to float. Just try to keep them in an even layer. You want to spread with a heat-proof spatula to completely coat your crackers. You want to place your pan back in your oven for about 5 minutes. The toffee will begin to bubble. You want to remove from the oven, turn your oven off, and evenly sprinkle your chocolate chips over your toffee. You want to return your toffee to the oven for 2 minutes. And then you want to remove. You want to use the spatula or a knife to spread your chocolate out evenly over your crackers. We spread it evenly on chopped pecans. We added a little bit of flaky sea salt. And we added some pretty Christmas colored sprinkles on the top. But you want to allow it to chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate has hardened. You could cut into pieces, or you could just hit it with your hand and crack it in small pieces. Here I'm breaking my Christmas crack up with my hand. We have made Christmas crack, or we call it graham cracker candy because we use graham crackers instead of saltine crackers. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and